My name is Austin Evans, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Florida. My research focuses on electronically active polymeric materials. In my field, it's really important to understand the topology of thin films, their roughnesses and their thicknesses, and AFM is an excellent tool to do that. In addition, I was really intrigued about using conductive AFM to explore electronic phenomena at the nanoscale, and AFMWorkshop offers a really readily usable module to do these nanoscale conductivity measurements, which are really important to our research as well. Yeah, what made AFMWorkshop stand out to me was the fact that they do have this sort of modular and customizable instrument that can be customized to the exact experiments you might want to do, but also be expanded later to include those capabilities if you weren't aware of it on day one. My satisfaction is through the roof. I think we're getting a lot of use out of the instrument. I really have no complaints at all. I feel like it was all very transparent and fair, and if anybody out there is thinking about buying an instrument from AFMWorkshop, I definitely encourage them to do so.